أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير قوله تعالى فليذهب قليل وقول نبينا محمد فإن كثرة ضحكا تميت الكلب وقال العرب أول الغضب المجنون وآخره الندامة وقال رسول صلى الله عليه وسلم ليس الشديد بالسرعة فإنما الشديد الذي يملك النفس عند الغضب. After praising the Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, peace and blessings be to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I read a verse that says فَلْيَذْهَبْ Khalil, that don't exaggerate in your laughing. Don't keep yourself every time laughing at others. You find someone, like you have a friend there out there, and then you hear like his father has died, and then you laugh. That is very, very, very bad. It's an evil, by the way, in front of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. That's why the Prophet says, فَإِنَّ كَثْرَةِ الضَّحْكَ تُمِيتُ الْكَلْبِ, that truly that laughing every time you keep in that situation, laugh at others, like you find someone has failed to get what to eat, you laugh at him. Tumitul kalb, in time coming you'll be with a dead soul, you'll be living with a dead soul. That's why you hear in the Quran saying minal jinnat wan nas, the devil is in the people and the jinn. What am I trying to teach here? I'm trying to teach that adjust on those thoughts, like laughing at people, getting anger of nothing, like with someone beats someone and then you also get affected. You should be away from that, because you don't know the cause that brought that situation. That's why Nabina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, Laysa shadid bisura. He is not powerful according to his looks or his face. You find someone has a big face and then he begins scaring people, that he has that energy of beating people and begins stealing other people's property because of that face. It does not mean that that person is powerful. No. ليس الشديد بالسرعة فإنما الشديد الذي يملك النفس عند الغضب. The only powerful person is the one who keeps his heart, who gets that patience when he has been angered. Like you have your phone here and then someone comes, beats you, takes your phone. You don't need to react immediately. You just need to you need to give it time. You can go and pray, you can drink some water, you can sleep for a good while, and then afterwards, then you begin your way to get back your phone. This is what I'm trying to teach the youth out there, even the old people out there, to know that just learn how to control yourself, learn how to control your anger. Otherwise, get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Cancer Records and Entertainment, Arrows Records forever. You want to learn more about leadership, get in touch with Leigh Ann Rogers, Team Forward Leadership Strategy. She's there for you. You want to learn about content creativity, get in touch with Angel Marie. She's there for you. You need traffic on internet, get in touch with Traffic IVs. That is Cindy Donovan. She's there for you. You need to learn about online businesses, get in touch with Dr. Sandra, collegeofstyles.com. She's there for you. You need to learn everything about your minds, get in touch with Mind Valley CEO, that is Vision Lakiani. You need to know about entrepreneurship. There is evercoach.com, Team Ajit. Ajit Nawalka is there for you. Amy Walker is also there for you to things concerned with feeding and your health out there. We don't forget Mzee Ayub in London. He's there for you. Everything concerned with businesses. You want to get anything from England up to where you are, get in touch with New Deal Africa, unleashing Africa's potential. Peace and love. I don't forget greeting my brothers Adnan, Ahmad, Hussein, Ahmad, Mbaraka, Ahmad, Zara, Ahmad, Warda, Ahmad. Everything, get it on cameras at rusikiza at reddit.com. Peace and love. We love you all.